Dear students, you are not observing the mathematics classes I have seen. Therefore, I will stop mathematics online class. So last video, only 25 students have visualized. They have observed and they have learned, and remaining they do not try it. That shows that you are not interested. Therefore, I will stop. Why should I take so much of risk in doing this? Okay. Thank you. So now let us take tenth standard exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. Students, in the previous class, I told you that you may write theorem on areas of similar triangles. What I did in the holidays, write the theorem of ratios of areas of similar triangles. Is it right? I hope that you did it. Now I will take the problems on areas of similar triangles. Now take exercise 2.4. Just open it. What is the first one? Just open it. What is the first one? Let triangle APC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF equals 15.4 centimeter, find BC. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಈ ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ APC similar to triangle DEF, and then area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square, and then area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 centimeter square. If EF equals 15.4 centimeter, find BC. Now here it is what area of triangle. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DF. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas are proportional to the square of the corresponding sides. Is it? The theorem you may apply. Therefore, what? Triangle ABC by triangle DEF. You can take area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals BC square by EF square. They have given BC, corresponding to BC is EF. We have to take the right or substitute. What are the known things? 64 divided by 121 is equal to BC square by EF is 15.4 whole square, like that. Is it? So then what is BC? Idನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 64 into 15.4 whole square by 121 equals BC square. Remove this square and take the sec the square root of this then BC equals root of 64 into 15.4 whole square by 121. Is it? So now what? BC equals square root of 64 is 8 into 15.4 divided by square root of 121 is 11. Like this, 11 and then 15.4 divided by 11 ones are. How much left? 4 left. Is it right? 4 left. So now put the decimal. Take 4. How much? 44. 11 fours are 44. Next, multiply 8. BC equals 8 fours are 32. 3 carry. 8 ones are 8 plus 3 11. Is it right? 11.2 centimeter. BC is 11.2 centimeter. This is the way how we will solve it. ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಭಾಳ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಈಸಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ABCD is a trapezium. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಗರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. These two are parallel lines, and AC and BB are intersecting at the point O. Then find the ratio of the area of the triangle AOB and COD. They have given that AB equals 2 times of CD. So now they have not given that triangle AOB and triangle COD as similar. ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ABCD is a trapezium. Solution here. So what is that? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Is it right? Next. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನದು? AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD and AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. These are the things they have given. Now consider the triangle AOB and BOC. ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? area triangle AOB by area of triangle COD. Area of triangle AOB is equal to what? Now take in triangles AOB and COD. In triangles AOB and COD. So what is that? Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. This is, these two angles are equal. Next again, these two angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D. Alternate angles. Now angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Vertically opposite angles. So therefore what? Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. If it is so, take the apply the theorem. Areas of similar triangles theorem we apply. Area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD is equal to. So what? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, AB ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, CD ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. AB square by CD square like this. AB square by CD square. Now area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD. Area of triangle AOB is divided by area of triangle COD. What is AB equals? AB equals 2CD. This is just 2CD right? 2CD whole square by CD square. So therefore, area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD is equal to, you see, 2 squared is 4, CD squared by CD square. CD square 1 by CD square 1. Therefore, area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD is equal to 4 by 1. This will be there. Area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD is 4 by 1. That is it? This is the way how we solve the problem. This will be for 3 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Is it? Okay. Students, so now work at example 9 page. Example 9 you see. Example 9 page number 51. Example 9 nodi. In the figure they have given figure 2.43 and nodi chitra kottidare. The line segment XY is parallel to side AC of triangle ABC and it divides the triangle into 2 parts of equal areas. And it divides the triangle into 2 parts of equal areas. Find the ratio of AX by AB. You are required to find out ratio of AX by AB. How do you do it one, this one? So now take what are the given things. First list out what they have given. In the figure, what are the known things you may list it. XY is parallel to AC1. Next name kottidare. So area of ABC, area of BXY is equal to area of AX by C. This XY divides the area of triangle ABC into 2 equal parts ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು part, both are equal, therefore you can write area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BXY or ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BXY is equal to 2 by 1. This is the things we know. Now we have to prove that triangle BXY is similar to triangle ABC. BAC, triangle BXY is similar to triangle BAC. Prove it. In triangles BXY and BAC, you see, in triangle BXY and BAC. So what do you know? Angle X is equal to angle A, angle Y is equal to angle C, corresponding angles. Angle B is equal to angle B, it is common. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle BXY. Is it? BXY. Triangle BXY according to AAA criterion theorem. Those two triangles are similar. Now take the proportional ratio of the sides. Area of the ratio of the sides triangle BAC by, can take area of triangle BAC by area of triangle what? BXY is equal to A ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ AB by BX whole square like that, or AB square by BX square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. What is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BXY? It is 2 by 1. This is AB square by BX square. AB square by BX square. ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? We want it, you require to find out what is AX by AB. AX by AB ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? AX by AB ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So now if you remove this square here, we get AB by BX is equal to 2 by 1, square root of 2 by 1. If you remove this square here, put the square root symbol, then what is that? AB by BX is equal to root 2 by 1 like this. What we want? We want reverse BX by AB is equal to 1 by root 2. Now subtract. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ BX ಬೇಡ, ಏನು ಬೇಕು? AX ಬೇಕು. AB ನಲ್ಲಿ BX ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ AX ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 1 ಮೈನಸ್ BX by AB is equal to 1 minus 1 by root. Here it is 1 is the 1 AB is a AB, then AB ones are AB minus BX is equal to here root 2. Here it is 1 root 2 is root 2 ones are root 2 minus 1 like this. 1 ones are 1. Next AB minus BX is AB minus BX is AX by AB is equal to ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ root 2 minus 1 by root 2. This is the answer. root 2 minus 1 root 2 minus 1 by root 2. This is the answer. ಅದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 minus root 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? 2 minus root 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 2.4 ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. You only observe in the figure, there is a figure. In the figure ABC and DBC are two triangles. ABC nodi, ABC triangle ABC and DBC, ABC this triangle and this triangle are standing on the same base BC. If AD and BC are the diagonals intersecting at O, show that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. Area of triangle ABC by DBC is equal to AO by DO. So like this. In the figure, now see data ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. In the figure, what they have given, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base. Are on the same base, are on the same base BC, are on the same base BC, are on the same base BC, and then AD and BC intersecting at O. AD and BC intersecting at O. They are the diagonals. What is to be proved? To prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. That is, we have to prove. Students, go through this. AO by DO we have to prove. Area of this triangle is equal to, but AO is not in the triangle ABC, DO is not in the triangle DBC. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಓ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು? ನಾವೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್? ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ? ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ we want the base and height. Base is the BC and we require to draw a height here. This is height like this. Say A, this is KP. ಅದನ್ನು P ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. D ಇಂದ BC ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು perpendicular ಇದೆ. So like this, draw a perpendicular from D to BC. So like this. Say this is Q, APO and DQO like this. Consider these two triangles. Other triangle similar ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ AO by DO ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. In triangles AOP and DOQ ಏನು ಬರೆದ್ರಿ? ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ರಾ perpendicular to BC and DQ perpendicular to BC. Is this construction we have taken? Is it AP perpendicular to BC? AP perpendicular to BC, DQ perpendicular to BC. Now triangle AOP and DOQ. So what? Angle APO is equal to angle DQO. 90 degree. It is in data. Next, angle AOP is equal to angle DOQ. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOP similar to triangle AOP similar to triangle DOQ. According to AA criterion theorem. According to AA criterion theorem, those two triangles are similar. Is it right? So therefore, when these two triangles are similar, write the proportionality of the sides. AO by DO is equal to AP by DP. Now let's solve. Let it be 1. AP by DQ. AP by DQ. AO by DO is equal to AP by DQ. Let it be 1. Next what? Take area ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. Now what is the area of triangle ABC? What is the formula to find the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. This is half into ABC triangle BC. Base is BC. Height is AP by half into what is that? BC. Base again BC and it's DBC triangle and height is DQ. Half get cancels. BC get cancels. Then what? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle what? DBC is equal to AP by DQ. Let it be 2. Notice here AP by DQ is AO by DO. Here area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is AP by DQ. Therefore, substitute 1 into 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ so we get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. Area of triangle DBC is equal to what? AO by DO. So like this. AP by DQ जाके AO by DO आएगी. That's the concept. So in that way we will solve it. Now let us go through the fourth problem of exercise 2.4. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಎರಡು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದ್ರ ಏರಿಯಾನೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡು? ನೌ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಚಿತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC similar to triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. Is it right? This is the data. Let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. To prove, what we require to prove is triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Very simple proof. Area triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Is it? It is data. It is in data. Is it? Now apply the second theorem. Theorem on areas of similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square. AB square by DE square according to theorem. Next, what they have given? Area of triangle ABC is area of triangle DEF. ABC जाके DEF आगे. Area of triangle ADEF by area of triangle DEF आएगा. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗಾಯಿತು? AB square by DE square. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗಾಯಿತು? Because here triangle AB, area of triangle ABC is area of triangle DEF. ABC जाके DEF ना हाಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ this is 1 therefore AB square is equal to DE square. Therefore AB equals DE. ನೋಡಿ, AB equals DE. AB equals DE. ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ AB square by DE square ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ AB by AB equals DE. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, BC square by EF ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will get BC equals EF. If you take AC square by DF square you will get AC equals DF. So similarly what? Similarly AC equals DF. AC equals DF and then BC equals EF. BC equals EF. Now take in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In triangles ABC and DEF. So what? AB equals DE and then AC equals DF and then BC equals EF. Here all are proved according to yes postulate. If three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of the other, then they are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF according to SSS postulate. According to SSS postulate, those two triangles are congruent. Is it? So this is the way how we solve the fourth problem. We did about 5 problems today. Now let us stop here. Another 3 problems are there. You may try it and I will help you in the next class. And afterwards, if I solve 2.5 exercise, that will be end of this chapter. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮುಗ್ದೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾರು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ ಇದ್ರು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ SSLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂತ. SSLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ದಲೇ ಹೋದರೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ದಲೇ ಹೋದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸರ್ಟನ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.